Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be going over my planner stack for 2022. Now, all of these have specific uses in my daily life, and not all of them travel with me on a regular basis. Some just completely stay home. And I'm changing a few things up only because some systems I was using this year have not really panned out to be useful in any sort of way. So to begin the pile, you are looking at the Hobonichi daily agenda. This is the Techo, and it has a day per page, and this is the A6 size, which is the size of like your palm of your hands. This is going to be my daily journal. This year I have been journaling in an Archer and Olive A5, and I bought that lovely notebook, enjoyed it, but it's not my favorite paper because it's not fountain pen friendly. It's like thick cardstock, and I wrote in it with my gel pen, and it's great for those that stamp and bullet journalers and all those creators that use it. But for me, I wanted to use my fountain pens last year, and I found myself not using them because I didn't have fountain pen friendly paper. So this is rectifying that because it's Tomoe River paper. And so it's very fountain pen friendly. This is for 2022. It's all in one book. And I had bought the cover on cover, as they call it. And here's my fountain pen in there, because I also had bought the journal itself already, in which I have been using with my fountain pens. And it's just straight text. It's thoughts. It's things that happened that day. I think the last one I was writing about how well Valentina's birthday surprise went off. And so I have enjoyed the paper immensely. So this is why I have this, in order to start using my fountain pens on a more regular basis. This does not travel with me. This will sit bedside on my nightstand. For my catch-all planner, I'm choosing a mini. This is a dashboard layout, and I love it because it is very, very neutral. So it's just this. No real color except the light polka dot in the middle. And then this is the spread. And so this one's going to be my catch-all planner. This is all of our family appointments, Valentina's play dates, my dentist appointments, days and things I have to do at work. Because I found that me using a classic vertical last year, I barely used it. It was going unutilized. I didn't need to have each section for each of my stuff, because I kind of find that my tasks aren't really always day specific. Some are, but in general, a dashboard layout is kind of where I'm at, or at least it's just a week on a page. It's small. I can throw it in my purse. And then like the to-dos for the week are over here in certain categories. So we're going to see how this goes. I'm excited though for its being smaller, and I'm excited that it's very neutral because I am not a decorative planner for my catch-all. So this one will just be, in my purse and on the go with me. For my content planning / social media, blog, YouTube, all of that, I've gone with a dashboard still. This is the one by Spoonful of Faith. It's a dashboard classic. So it's the beautiful cover inside. Beautiful simple pages here as well as here. So this one I started using an extension pack for my dashboard. I want to put my YouTube schedule on here and then really concentrate on having corresponding blog posts. I know I let my blog slip this year, even though I was verbalizing that I've started it. It is started. It just has only like 3 posts on there. So I want to have this here as constant to-dos for like blog, YouTube, Instagram posts for the week, so that I'm aware of it, because I do want to take my channel and my content and what I create for you very serious in 2020 to bring it to, not to say like next level. I'm not trying to like be some outrageous person, but just definitely a how do you say it, like a checkpoint for information on how to memory plan for families or moms, or even if you're single. I just want to be kind of like your checkpoint on to get tips. And that comes with being consistency and giving good content is all I'm trying to say. So I have the whole year. I probably will take maybe like 6 months out of it, and then just fill the back half with like filler paper. That way I have constant area for notes and brain dumping and working out outlines and stuff in this one. So this one can travel, but at least I have this one specifically designated for content. I now have my new memory keeper. This is my memory planner. I went with a vertical spread. This is the Seasons of Color one. It comes on silver metal discs. And I went with it because this is just where I'm comfortable. So you know that I use my monthly spreads as a stuff of life collage, but I do not mind at all the florals that are on here. And then here as well, it's the simplest, almost like blank pages ever. Even the font across the top is the thinnest date. The one I had now was still black. It was just a bolder number that you really could see. And this one is just so soft on the eyes, thin lines. I'm comfortable in this format for my memory planner. This will now be my 6th year doing it. And I do like the vertical. Now, I did show that I was planning on using the horizontal still, because I had 6 months left to use in 2022. But as you can see, what I struggle with here is the color. And I think that's always what happens with a lot of people that fear some of these, because the color can be so striking sometimes that, well, not for the example of this one being pink, because pink I work a lot with, but like say this one that's kind of like a green. I don't always work with green. And so others have even so trouble finding layouts to use this easily with. So what I'm also having this one for, while this one is content, this is just going to kind of be my, people call them like their commonplace journals. So really the date doesn't matter anymore in here. And I just want to fill this one with things like that I learn from books, or things that I'm researching on how to get good at. Like for instance too, I am trying my darndest to learn Canva, especially on the app. And I just need a place too for notes. So like I feel like this one I started using daily journals, but you know, even if I just white out the dates, it's just lined paper. So it's going to be used in that way, kind of like a notebook where I can have memories, information that I learn. But this is going to be my memory planner. And I'm really excited because this one's really pretty. You know me and floral, so I can't get enough on how like cute and how simple this is. So really looking forward to having this one. This one has like gold, purple foil. So nice. And look at those flowers. And it's very simple. Yeah. So this is my memory planner. So I love it. So I'm comfortable in these formats. So my commonplace notebook, my memory planner, my content planner, my catch-all for the family and me, and then my daily journaling in a Hobonichi Techo. I'm really excited for this pile. Definitely excited for fountain pen. Definitely excited for going for a smaller size for my catch-all. I'm excited to develop my brand / content that I create, doing my 6th year in memory planning, and having all of my knowledge go in one common place where I can refer back to it. Really excited. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, everyone. Ta-ta.